What if some of your clearest memories never actually happened? Not dreams, not imagination. Your mind may have created them. We trust our memories more than almost anything else. They shape who we are, what we believe, who we trust. But psychology reveals something unsettling. Memory is not a recording, it's a reconstruction. And sometimes your mind fills in details that were never there. Fact number 1. Your brain doesn't store memories as complete videos. It stores fragments, sounds, emotions, images. When you remember something, your brain reassembles those fragments and guesses the rest. That guess often feels real, but real doesn't mean accurate. Fact number 2. Here's the disturbing part. Every time you recall a memory, your brain rewrites it slightly. New emotions, new beliefs, new information. That means a memory from childhood may have been altered dozens of times without you realizing it. Confidence doesn't equal truth, it just means repetition. Fact number 3. Your brain fills gaps without asking. Your mind hates incomplete stories, so when details are missing, it fills the gaps automatically. That's why two people remember the same event differently. Witnesses disagree confidently. Old memories feel clearer than they should. Your brain prefers a complete story over an accurate one. Fact number 4. Strong emotions change how memories form. Fear, excitement, embarrassment. These don't improve accuracy. They increase confidence. That's why emotional moments feel vivid, even when details are wrong. Your brain remembers how you felt, not necessarily what happened. This is why arguments about the past rarely get resolved. Both people feel certain, both feel honest, and both may be wrong in different ways. Fact number 5. Your mind is more suggestible than you think. Simple questions like, "Do you remember when?" "You were there, right?" "Everyone remembers this," can plant details that grow over time. Eventually, the memory feels personal, even if it wasn't. Your brain doesn't tag memories as real or imagined, it just stores them. Fact number 6. Most people trust childhood memories deeply, but psychologically they are the most fragile. Language was limited, understanding was incomplete, stories were repeated by others. Many childhood memories are influenced by photos, shaped by family stories, rebuilt over time. They feel real, but accuracy fades faster than confidence. Fact number 7. This part is important. Your brain doesn't distort memories randomly. It does it to protect your identity. Painful moments soften. Embarrassing details fade. Justifications appear. Your mind edits the past to keep you emotionally stable in the present. Final reflection. This doesn't mean you can't trust yourself. It means you should be aware. Memories aren't lies, they're interpretations. And once you understand that, you become less reactive, less defensive, and more curious. Ending. Some memories guide you. Others quietly change you. The difference is noticing which is which.